Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Teacher Dima, and we start our homework since today. Today is 20th of May, 2026, and today we're going to use English student book, pages 8 and 10. Reading words, phrases, and text. All what you need, follow me. Listen to me first, then read yourself. Try to read yourself. Try. We start slowly, easy, and we will increase difficulty day by day. My advice to you, please do it every time once you receive it from me. Record yourself and send to me to check. Let's read together. First, words. Our topic is family. Word. Family. Grandmother. Grandfather. Father. Mother. Brother. Sister. Friend. Okay, again. Mother. Grandmother. Sister. Brother. Say all words. Father. Grandfather. Mother. Grandmother. Good. And one more picture. Father. Grandmother. Friend. Mother. Okay, and page 10. Listen to me how I'm reading and try to read same as me. One page. Families and friends. Families. We live in families. People in families help each other. They love each other too. Not all families are the same. There are many kinds of families. Meet Sam. He's 7 years old. Sam's family is big. He lives with his mother, father, 3 brothers, and 2 sisters. We work together. Next. This is Mandy. She's 8 years old. She has 1 brother. They live with their grandmother and grandfather. We go places together. Okay, students, that's about reading. Now question. The question for today is, what is your name? You need to answer, my name is, and say 3 words with me. I say first, you repeat. First word is moon. Moon. 2. August. August. This is the month, August. And 3. Lesson. Lesson. English lesson. Mathematics lesson. Science lesson. Art lesson. Lesson. Okay, congratulations with first day with homework. Do it, send to me. You're the best students. See you. Bye-bye.